What up, Sky High Club? We back with another mail call. This one's from One Stop Diecast. Oh yeah, those two Skylines came in. Yeah, let's go ahead and crack these open. Let's see if I got a chase. Got the purple and white Skyline R34s from Kaido house. I've been waiting for these for a minute. I can't wait to crack these open. Hopefully I get a chase, man. I ain't had no luck all year with the chases yet. What we got? First one. Let's see. Nice art. Oh, no chase. Still looks good though. Hey, it's real good detail on these Skylines, man. Kaido House did it again. Real nice. But this white and purple one's the first in the line of the releases to the public for everybody to get free Skylines. So let's go ahead and switch over to the purple. Let's crack this open. The next release is the blue one. They also have the red one and the jade one in Malaysia and Japan, but those are just for overseas releases. These are just for everybody. Let's go ahead and crack this purple one open. Let's see if we get a chase. Oh, gold bars. Uh-oh. Oh, no chase. You can tell by the chase the whole rim will be gold. And the exhaust is gold, and the crash bar inside the car is gold. That's how you can tell with the Skylines if they're chases or not. Kaido has switched over to start doing that with the chases instead of doing just straight Zamac with no paint on there. That's a nice detail engine bay. Let's go ahead and check it out. Hey, I think the purple one's the best. Again, these are the first two releases from Kaido House, the Skylines. And here's the white one. So, very good detail on both of them. Only thing I do wish is the doors were open, but you know, in due time. Yeah, those look good together. Appreciate you, Sky High Club. Let's get it.